Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to connect and set up Bluetooth headphones on your Google Pixel. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To connect the headphones, open the settings on your Pixel and then choose Connected Devices. Next, choose Pair New Device and your phone will start searching for any nearby Bluetooth devices. Now switch your attention to your Bluetooth headphones. Make sure they are charged, and now we need to get them into pairing mode. This method can differ on each Bluetooth device, however some will have a pair button to press or hold, and some might require you to hold the power button for say 10 seconds. If you're not sure, check the manual or online for your specific Bluetooth headphones. Once pairing, a light on the headphones should start flashing, and after a few seconds, they should show up on the list of available devices on your phone. Tap on the name of them here and then a message should show up and you need to tap on Pair. They should now connect, and if you tap on them here, you can change related settings, so check all of these options look correct. These could differ depending on your headphones. This is also where you can disconnect or forget the device if you wanted to. You can now try them out and check they are working. You might want to head to the sound settings or the audio accessibility settings to change how they sound. That's how to connect and set up Bluetooth headphones on your Google Pixel. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Google Pixel. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.